Stop wasting hours on basic keyframes. If you want to edit like a pro and save 50% of your time, you need this. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate shortcut. I'm talking about this insane asset pack used by over 10,000 editors. It's packed with professional animations. It's completely free. And all credit goes to the legends at Video Editing Studio for creating this. Check this out. No complex settings. You just drag and drop the asset onto your timeline. Boom. Type whatever you want. Change the colors, resize it, and you're done. Everything is 100% customizable to fit your style. High-quality animations are the secret to keeping your viewers engaged and hooked till the end. This pack gives you that big creator look without the effort. The link is in the description. Go grab it right now. If this saves you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more pro editing secrets. Now, go create something awesome.